What's going on, guys? Supersonic Motorsports back with another video. I know it's been a while, just been super busy, haven't really put much effort into making videos, but I have been buying stuff, and today we're going to talk about JB Tools clearance. So all this stuff on the table here I got on JB Tools clearance for really cheap. So we're just gonna get right into it. Starting out with these Weehaw bits, 7-piece. You got Torx, you got Phillips, you got Square Drive. These were $4.99. Just thought it was a pretty good deal. And all this stuff is still up on JB Tools. Moving on. We got this 3-piece adjustable SATA, however you pronounce it, wrench set. I think they're made in China, but they're lifetime warranty. And what I like about them is they got the measurements on them. And they range from, I think, let's see here. You got a 6-inch, an 8-inch, and a 10-inch. Go down here, it should tell us where they're made by Apex Tools, so made in China. But still, you know, lifetime warranty, you know, just for something to throw in a toolbox or, you know, mobile setup. These will come in handy. Moving on from there, we got this DeWalt bit set. And I'm not going to open any of these. I'm just going to name the prices. But so this is the DeWalt Max Fit 120-piece bit set. And this hooks up to their Tough system. Yeah, the Tough case. This has all different size bits in it. Which is nice because I break a lot of bits. Or I lose a lot of bits. So this, you know, will come in handy for me. Especially in the field of work that I do. And I thought for $30... really can't go wrong. Moving on from there, we have these Milwaukee Shockwave 3/8 drive metric impact sockets. So you got your 10, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, and 21. And these were on sale for $14.99, which I know at Home Depot they are a lot more money. They come with the rail, and you got your adapter for your little screw gun, which is cool. And these I think are lifetime warranty as well. But for $15, again, like this is all stuff mostly I'm gonna throw in my trailer from my actual business. So figured, you know, can't really go wrong. You know, cheap impact socket set. Moving on from there, we have these hole dozer hole saws from Milwaukee, which these were on sale for $24.99. And as you can see right there, limited lifetime warranty on the teeth. And these I'll actually open up because, you know, it is a small set. And I don't know if these are supposed to be like this or not, where they got like these little cracks in them, like these relief cracks. But, you know, you start out, you go from 3/4 up to 1.25 inches, which is cool. And like, you know, they call this the automotive hole saw kit. So, you know, obviously it's more for automotive applications, which this I'll use for my personal garage. But, you know, seems like a nice set, and for $24.99, I know that these go for a lot more money than that. So I figured, screw it, why not? Moving on from there, we have these Sunex Tools 14-piece raised panel combination wrench set, which, you know, these we could open up too. And again, these are going to go into my trailer. Bear with me as I don't have my tripod, because it's actually in my trailer. So I've been using it for my laser level for my business. But what I liked about these for my trailer is that they come in this case. You know, they're in a roll, which is cool. Let's see if I can get these open. So these go from 6mm to 19mm. Again, they're in a storage case. Sunex branded, the part number. And these remind me a lot of the raised panel Craftsman wrenches. You know, maybe slightly less quality, but for this entire set I paid $22.99, which they said I think it was like 30% off or 40% off, something like that. Everything on here was like at least 35% off, 30 or 35% off. But you know, they seem like nice wrenches. They will do the trick for me. And again, I like that they come in this case. And, you know, lifetime warranty. They're definitely better quality than like Pittsburgh wrenches or something like that from Harbor Freight. But we'll roll this up, get this out of the way. Okay, so then moving on from there, we have these Versatool 18-piece oscillating blade set. Again, not really automotive tool, but for my business, for what I do use a lot of these. And you know, there's all different kinds. You have ones for wood, there's ones for metal, there's ones for tile. You know, it's a 15-piece set, and these were $20, 15 pieces, which you really can't beat. Last but not least, we have this 14-piece gear wrench 120 XP socket set. You know, sadly it is SAE, and I don't really use SAE, but I really bought it for just the ratchet. So this was $39.99, and you know, lifetime warranty. They're 6-point, quarter-inch drive. From the research that I've done, this set goes for like $69.99 at Home Depot. And I've never had a gear wrench ratchet, and I did open it just so I could check out the ratchet. But you know, flex head ratchet. It's got the quick release, 120 tooth. See, it almost seems like it's seized right out of the box, which I don't know if I gotta warranty it or if it just needs to be lubricated. But it's like it has a lot of like I can't even get this to spin right now, which is kind of concerning. Which is not a good start off to gear wrench ratchets, considering I've never owned one. But you know, quality wise, it seems like a decent ratchet, besides that it doesn't ratchet. Maybe I'll open it up and just look at it and lubricate it and everything, or maybe, you know, dual paw, something's just getting caught up. But you know, for 40 bucks, if this turns out that it's just an easy fix and just needs to be lubricated, you know, you get universal 3-inch extension, 6-inch extension, and your sockets from, let's see, does it tell me on here? Or oh, I might have ripped it off. Oh, so you got 3/16, 7/32, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3 7/16, 1/2 inch, and 9/16, all in 6-point. So again, you know, pretty decent deal. And I do like JB Tools. I have bought a lot of stuff from them. I actually did another clearance buy a little while ago, but all that stuff is put away because I started using it and I never made a video on it. So maybe when I do an updated toolbox tour, I'll do another video. But you know, head over to JB Tools and check out their clearance section, and also just check out what they got, because they do have some decent tools on there. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see more of.